So in this video, we're going to take factoring a step further. Now we're going to factor things where that weighting coefficient is not 1. I'm still using the ASC method. It's going to work the exact same way. So I have 2x squared plus 7x plus 3. I want to be able to factor. I'm going to use AC, but this time A is not 1. A is actually 2. So it's going to be 2 times 3, which is 6. I'm thinking about all the factors of 6. So 1 and 6. -1, -6, 2, 3, -2, -3. Now, I'm writing more factors out than I need. As soon as you find the one that adds to the middle term, you're done. So in this case, that first one would have worked for me, 1 and 6. So then we're going to do a rewrite step. This is 2x squared plus x plus 6 times x plus 3. Then we group. So we're going to factor an x out, leaving us with 2x plus 1. I'm going to factor a 3 out, leaving us with 2x plus 1. You can see those have that 2x plus 1 in common. That's going to leave me with an x plus 3. So my factored form is 2x plus 1 times x plus 3. Example 2, we have 3x squared plus 11x plus 6. It's going to work the exact same way. Okay, now the first and the last terms do have a 3 in common, but because that 11x doesn't have a 3 in common, I can't factor out a GCF. There's actually not a GCF for all three terms. So let's use our AC method. 3 times 6 is going to give us 18. So we have 2 and 9, -2, -9. We have 3 and 6, -3 and -6. We have, we have 1 and 18. But we've already found that combination. We want the one that adds to 11. That's going to be 2 and 9. So we have 3x squared plus 2x plus 9x plus 6. Group the first two together, factor an x out, leaving us with 3x plus 2. When I group the second ones together, they have a 3 in common, leaving us with 3x plus 2. And now those have the group 3x plus 2 in common, leaving us with x plus 3. So my factored form is 3x plus 2 times x plus 3. And remember, you can always check it. If we multiply that out, we will get 3x squared plus 11x plus 6. Okay? They work the same way. It doesn't matter whether I have positives or negatives. The process is always the same. That's what I love about this method. It makes it so easy. My next one is 4x squared minus 4x minus 3. We're going to do AC. So 4 times a -3 is a -12. I'm going to think about my combinations. So -1, 12, 1 and -12, 2, -6, -2 and 6. And see, I already found the one that's going to give me the -4. That's going to be the 2 and the -6. So I'm going to do my rewrite. 4x squared plus 2x minus 6 times x minus 3. So its middle gives me that -4. We're going to group. The first two terms have a 2x in common, leaving us with 2x plus 1. The second two have a -3 in common, leaving us with 2x plus 1. And then now I can look at my groups. I have the group 2x plus 1 in common, leaving us with 2x minus 3. So this factors in the 2x plus 1 times 2x minus 3. Okay, the next one's going to work the same way. I have 6x squared minus 5x minus 6. AC, in this case, is going to be 6 times a -6, which is a -36. So the first thing I think of is 9 and 4. So 9 and -4, or -9 and 4. I want the one that's going to add to a -5. So I've already found that. I don't need to keep going. 6 and -6 are ways to get that -36 also, but that's not going to help me in this case. I need the one that adds to the -5. So I'm going to do my rewrite. 6x squared minus 9x plus 4x minus 6. I'm going to group. First two have a 3x in common, leaving us with 2x minus 3. Second two have a 2 in common, leaving us with 2x minus 3. So this factors into 2x minus 3 times 3x plus 2. Sometimes we may need to factor out a GCF first. So let's look at an example. We have 2x cubed plus 7x squared plus 3x. Okay, every term has an x in common, so we're going to start by factoring that out. That's going to leave us with 2x squared plus 7x plus 3. So that's what we want to factor. That's what we're going to use for the AC method. AC is going to be 2 times 3, which is 6. Factors of 6 are 1 and 6, negative 1, negative 6, 2, 3, negative 2, negative 3. We want the one that adds to 7. That's going to be the 1 and 6. So just like before, I'm just going to put a bracket here. It's more for aesthetics than anything. So I rewrote 7x as x plus 6x. We're going to factor out an x from the first two. And then we're going to factor a 3 out of the second two. These have that 2x plus 1 in common, so I have an x. That's just going to follow me down. I'm going to factor out the 2x plus 1. It's going to leave me with x plus 3. So there's my factored form. In our last example, we have 3x cubed plus 11x squared plus 6x. Everything has an x in common. I'm going to factor it out, leaving me with 3x squared plus 11x plus 6. Again, AC method. It's going to be 3 times 6, which is 18. Thinking about combinations, 2 and 9 coming into mind. And that's going to be our winning one because we want to add to 11. So I'm rewriting that 11x as 2x plus 9x. Okay, that's all I do is I rewrite that middle. It's just rewriting in a clever way. First two terms have an x in common, leaving me with 3x plus 2. Second two terms have a 3 in common, leaving us with 3x plus 2. If I look at what those terms have in common, we have 3x plus 2. And the leftovers will be x plus 3. So this factors in x times 3x plus 2 times x plus 3.